this hunt, I'm meeting back up with my buddy Zane, but this time I'm behind the gun and he's behind the camera. On the first morning, we met up with Zane's dad, Todd. Todd is one heck of an all-around outdoorsman, whether it be from hunting longbeards, catching redfish, or killing monster whitetails with traditional archery equipment on public land. He's the guy to do it. I was honored they invited me to tag along, and I hope to learn as much as I could. I couldn't help but enjoy watching how symbiotic Zane and Todd moved through the woods. Silent as a mouse, communicating without ever saying a word. It was clear to see this wasn't their first rodeo. We followed Todd deep into a swamp, where he saw a hen as well as some fresh strut marks the day before. After not hearing any gobbles at daylight, we set up on the strut marks with hopes of the gobbler coming back by. Not long after sitting down, we're surrounded by turkeys. But unfortunately, no gobblers.
If that bird would have strutted or freaking gobble, I'd have killed him. So wet it was red. Yeah. Y'all probably heard him clucking that Jake cluck. Cluck, cluck, cluck.
That was the bird that flew in, wasn't it?
He walked. She flew in right there.
Yep.
I didn't even hear him. I heard her when she hit the ground. Tap, tap.
Real raspy.
Shouting loud. That was cold. When she did that first time, I thought that was a freaking longbeard. I was looking for it. You had spun around totally at that point. I was waiting for somebody to shoot. I'd have had to drop the camera, pick the gun up and shoot.
Yeah, that was not.
I had my safety off on him. He walked right around that fire. Right there. It was probably longbeard.
I had the hammer cocked back. Zane and I split up from Todd and spend the rest of the day scouting.
Yeah, the crows are something about them crows. I think the crows are favorite in Florida. Yeah, in Florida.
After not finding much, we eventually stumbled up on a stretch of road that seemed to be getting walked on daily by turkeys. With dust bowls, strut marks, and both hen and gobbler tracks, we decided that would be a good starting point for morning 2.
Just heard one hammer. Yep, that one. Sucker went quiet on us. He's gonna end up back on that road. So we had that gobbler hammer on the limb 4 or 5 times. He hit the ground, gobbled twice, and he shut up. There's a pond right over here we're gonna try to get around on. He was heading right towards the pond. So we're trying to bust a move through this buckbrush, trying to make it happen.
The bird goes quiet. Me and Zane decide to wait around in the area, hoping that the bird fires back up later in the morning. We got a gator growling at us right here, trying to strike up a bird. There he is. Nope, there he is. He's right there. He's right there somewhere. He's further out there. Look for the vibration on the water. Uh-oh. Somebody's busted. That's a gobbler there, brother. Check this out. That one right there is for sure.
Yeah. So you got sandhill here.
That old like that. But that's for sure. With little to go on, we decided to sit at a crossroads in the direction that we had last heard the gobbler on the morning before. Gilly. What, dude?
Oh my god.
What, did you forget all your calls?
My mouth calls.
Oh, what a freaking loser.
I left them in the fridge.
Good. Guess it's just me today.
It's all on you, brother. It's all on you.
Good deal. I ain't gotta worry about you yelling at me because it don't matter today.
You got a choice. Suck it up.
You just sit back and listen. Me and Zane are sitting at a crossroads here, pretty close to where we had that bird gobbling yesterday morning. To sum up yesterday morning, we had a bird hammering about 100 yards from us, and we got set up. When he pitched down, he pitched the opposite direction, and he kept gobbling and gobbling, and he was gaining ground going the other way from us. We never even got to call to him. He pitched down a lot earlier than we expected, so we were still trying to let the woods wake up before we even started tree yelping, and this bird pitched down damn near in the dark and started gobbling and going the other direction. So today we're going to stand down here in the crossroads in the direction that he was heading and hope that he gobbles, hope that we can get between him and where he's going. Hopefully we hear him. I mean, if we hear him, that's a success in itself, so I'll keep y'all tuned in. But unfortunately, it was a quiet morning. I think we can pull up and do that at a couple spots if something don't hammer. We can just go shoot each other.
Set that in up there. We don't hear shit. We gotta come up with something different.
We don't hear shit, then I'm punching you in the mouth. Would you be alright with that?
Mm-mm.
And here's riding. Catching the boys in action. And by in action, I mean not hearing shit, no action. Absolutely, baby. That's what you get when you go to them spots.
We're in action, out of action.
Yeah. Hopefully she don't fall off the mirror and get run over by the truck tire.
Oh, lovely.
We done come around here to another side of the property. We're gonna walk in here, try to find some gobbler sign, just totally restart because it just hasn't been looking good over on the area we were at where we heard that gobbler. Just a lot of people, so we're gonna try to get away from the people a little bit, find a bird back in this swamp. Dang sure looks beautiful. We can find one. That's gobbler stuff there, bud. Right there, look at that. Come on, man. Look right there on that tree. The boys are in here now. That was a gobbler, for sure, son. There, it may have been a jade gobble. He gobbled and yelped right behind it.
We might want to get ready. There's two gobblers there, or a Jake and a gobbler, or a Jake and a... They're going to come down the swamp. We got one firing off. We need to make a move because they're probably going to come to us quick. Let's put it on the cypress trees. I'll walk up there. I don't like that. I think they're going to round this corner. If we're snugged up there, let's get right up here and let's sit down and let's just get ready. Sound like they're moving away from us. Yeah. Look, the birds are working away from us, so we're fixing to try to cut through the swamp and get ahead of them. Alright, we got one playing the game, baby. That's all we can ask for. Finally got one to play the game. Exciting. Turkeys are in there. Get in front of them. We just need to sit down right up in here somewhere. We can sit down with these pines right here if you want. Yeah, that was those turkeys yelping. Come on, let's sit down. Or some jakes. Right there, don't move, don't move. Gobbler, I see him, Strutter. Coming right down the tree line. To your right. Strutter. To your right. Yes, coming straight in front of me. Coming straight to us. There's two of them. Here he comes. They're coming on a rope. I just heard him drum. stoned him, son.
Where'd he go? He was just right here for. There he is.
Oh my God. Woo! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good bird. Lord of mercy. Yes, sir.
Fine bird.
Turkey hunting, man. Come on. Does it get any prettier than that thing?
Swamp bird, son. Freaking swamp bird. I apologize to the audience. Fine bird.
Dude, how, when they just gobbled, that's a different, there's
They came
no
quick.
way. You know what I mean? Unless they're just coming, or he flew across the creek.
They came quick.
That's what happened. That's the only thing that could have happened is they flew across the creek.
I heard him drum right there, but you were watching him the whole
I was
time.
watching him strut down the road.
I couldn't see him the whole time.
Did you get any footage?
Yeah.
Even the shot?
Yeah.
Oh, no way!
Right when I could see him, you shot. I could see him coming to the right side of the pine tree.
The other bird that was in front, he had a long beard.
I had the camera in my face, so I couldn't see nothing, and I seen him coming.
Would you have thought that'd have been 3 mature birds? I did not think that when I first seen it, I was like, I knew that one.
I think the one in front of him was a Jake, wasn't it?
No.
Had a long beard?
Had a long beard. I'm not sure if they both were long beards, but one of them with a red head, not white, was long beard. He come right here and he stood and he was looking. But, man, what's that, 30 steps?
Yeah, 30 yards probably.
He didn't stand a chance. Son!
You got a good hide right there, too.
Perfect hide.
Yeah. That's a good hide. This was my view, this daggum. Well, the pine tree wasn't in the way, but a bunch of bushes in the way.
It was looking pretty grim there for a minute, buddy.
3 days it was looking grim.
I hope y'all enjoy this video as much as I enjoyed making it out here with hunting with some good company.
Get it done after stressing, crying yesterday because he wouldn't gobble.
Crying this morning because that truck drove right under the gobbler.
Can't beat it, dude.
We could have sat there and complained or went home and said, man, the damn hunt got screwed up by this guy in a big old truck.
Killing a rack buck is a feeling like no other. But hunting a freaking wild turkey,
It don't get much better than that, does it?
it don't.